Number 26. I got another one for you. If you're good at pet grooming, you can make some major money. If you're Edward Scissorhands with the shares, you can double your income and get paid above salon industry's standard rates with this app. Hi, my name is Cece and welcome to Inside Your Hustle, where we talk about potential ways to make you some side money and save you some money as well. Are you ready?
Yes! Yeah!
Hit it! Welcome to Inside Your Hustle. This app is so good if you have the pet grooming skills, especially since they do the legwork of finding clients near you and they do the customer support too. That way you can focus on making sure Spike looks like $1,000,000. Speaking of bucks, Groomit pays weekly and gives bonuses, and you keep all your tips. You can earn upwards of $500 per day. There are 3 tiers of services that they are looking for groomers to offer. These are Eco, Silver, and Gold, which is their most popular service tier. This platform is getting huge with over 130,000 registered pet parents that are available in more than 30 cities like New York City, Georgia, D.C., as well as others in the United States. They're even coming to Philly, Nashville, Los Angeles, and others in the near future. If you have a preference to work with strictly big dogs or even small cats, you got it. With Groomit, you can service your preferred area, breeds, and sizes, and set up your own schedule. It's so easy to get started. You just need to download that Groomit Biz app where you can see earnings, ratings, pet details, and your calendar. As a groomer, you'll receive premium liability insurance that covers you, the pet, and the property with every appointment. After you download the app, complete the application to start your own business. They will reach out to you to learn more about you and your skills. You'll have to wait to be approved since they are seeking independent groomers who share a passion for working with pets and possesses experience. They even supply natural shampoos, conditioners, toothpaste, and more for the pet grooming process. As Grooming expands into new cities, they're on the lookout for dedicated and skilled professionals to join their thriving pet grooming marketplace. Don't miss your chance to be a part of their amazing team and help pets look their best. Thanks for watching. Let me know in the comments down below, will you try your hands at grooming some furry friends? And if you enjoyed this info, don't forget to smash the like button, subscribe, share, hit the notification bell so that you can learn more about other side hustles. And remember, you are amazing. Bye-bye.